Hey babies, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys a simple winged liner tutorial. Okay, so all I'm just going to be needing is my eyeliner, and that is it. Okay, so let's get right into the video. So my brows are done. Now let's assume we're doing eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm gonna take concealer. Now I'm making my eyeshadow base. So just concealer, and I blend it out. Okay, now I'm going to set the concealer with powder. So that's going to serve as our eyeshadow. So I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me powder in deep. So now that our eyeshadow is done, I'm going to be taking my eyeliner. My eyeliner has two sides. That's the liner side and the stamp side. So if you are a beginner, I don't know if I'm to advise you to get an eyeliner that has a stamp, but it's really not necessary. So I'm going to show you how to use both sides differently. Now, taking the stamp side, okay, you just have to place this at the edge of your eye, like that. So you can see that I have hooded eyes, which means I cannot like have crazy liner, because it's gonna like show here. So we're going to cut it half of my crease, half of my eyelid, sorry. So going in with the liner part, then you just join this with your already made liner, then fill it in. It's actually very simple, so just fill that in. Let's come closer. So just fill that in. If you want longer, now you're just going to extend this there. Okay, so that is it. Very simple, very quick, very easy. So if you've made like a mistake here, this is how you're going to correct it. Consider I don't have any mistake, but I'll show you how you're going to correct it. So you take your concealer brush, the mouth is flat, okay. I'll advise you to use your foundation shade, your concealer foundation, like a perfect shade, or a shade darker. If you go a shade light, or if you go with a lighter concealer, it would, you know, give you problem when you're trying to blend your foundation. So just take a dark foundation, your color, and just do this. And make sure to blend out, okay? Blend out. Blend out. Then you further blend out with your concealer, your buffer. So that's how to correct a liner mistake. So now I'll show you how I do my own brows, my own liner, sorry. So this is my liner. Okay, So I see people, they like to, you know, go this way first, but I don't like that. I don't feel that is like so easy for me. So this is what I do first. I just go where I want to start, then bring it inward. Okay, I bring it inward, then like that. I can feel the brow. Why do I keep saying brow? My liner. I feel it's easier for me to come like from up down than to go like down up. It's easier for me to do that. So do what works for you. Try out different styles and know what you like and don't like, what you prefer, and all of that. So perfect. You can see that even if I open my eye like all the way, it's not going to transfer the liner onto any other place. So I think this is bigger, so let me just add more. Now correcting this side, take my brush and concealer. Then blend out, blend out, blend out, blend out, blend out, and buff it out. So that's how you get your perfect winged liner. Okay guys, this is the end of the video, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.